Hi friends, welcome to WebChamp. In this video, I am going to discuss what is a view in SQL and can we update a view. So if you are preparing for the SQL developer interview or data engineering, data analysis interview, so you may came across this question. So what is a view? View is a virtual table that is based on a result of a query. Virtual table meaning it will deliver the data. You will be able to query the data the way you query the data from the SQL table. But in actual practice, this will not consume a memory of your database. The physical object will not be exist. This is just a virtual that is going to refer for the another SQL statement or another SQL query. So whenever we request the data from view, so for us, we are just querying the data from view, but for database, you may be querying data from the different tables, right? So joins and lots of things, whatever you can do for the view or to query the data, to read the data, everything can be just stored as a virtual table in the terms of view. So basically, it is used to simplify the complex query by encapsulating them. Meaning, if I write a query to get the data for order, so in the order details, I would like to get the details of the product, customers, then ship or seller details, I can say. So for each of the entity, we will have the different tables in database. But so we can create a view that will give deliver all the data as a single table. Okay, so this is the concept of encapsulating, meaning the encapsulation is like hiding the actual implementation of database. Okay, it provides the additional layer of security by restricting access to certain columns and rows. Obviously, while writing a query for view, so we can limit the number of columns, we can filter out the data. Uh, that is what the meaning of restricting access to certain columns and rows. It improves the readability and maintainability of SQL queries. Yes. So end users need not to go through the complex queries. So easily they can query the data, they can apply the filters. View can be used to present aggregated and transformed data. So this is also possible in the view because it's a virtual, and behind the view we will have the query to do aggregations and data transformations. So can we update a view? This is the another question. Okay, so what is a view we discussed, but can we update a view? This is the main question of the interview purpose. So yes, we can update a view if it is minimum, or we can say that there are some conditions, some criterias are there. So if it meets the conditions, but not all the views are updatable. So when we can update the view? So here you can see what are the different conditions. First of all, view must be based on the single table. Okay. So if you have created a view based on the multiple tables by performing joins and aggregations and all, so in that case, you will not be able to update the view. Okay. So because though you will write the query to update the view, but view is not actual table. So it will try to update the actual table, which is encapsulated using the view. And this is possible for straightforward query, not for the aggregated queries or where we have performed the complex joins. So that is not good. The view should not use aggregations. So if the views are using aggregations, then you won't be able to update the view. View should not contain distinct group by having union, limit, and order by clauses. If you are using these clauses in the view query, then you won't be able to update the view. It must have all not null columns, meaning columns from view should not have the null values. And with check options clause can be used to ensure updates do not violate the constraint. So this is asking to check the constraints while updating. Okay. But yes, so few views are the way we say aggregated views are not updatable. But that is even possible by using the instead of trigger, you can use instead of trigger. So instead of updating a view, we will use the trigger to update or to insert the data into the actual table. This is what we can do with the help of triggers. Right, so that is the workaround. Otherwise, in if the view is from the single table, we can update the view. Otherwise, it is difficult to update the view. So this is all about the view, what we can do with the view, and what is a view. This is what we discussed. So I hope you like the content of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day. Please do not forget to subscribe webcam. Happy learning.